just woke up. Oh my god, the guy above me was snoring so loud all night. I don't know how I got any sleep. I woke up forgetting I was in Scotland. This is what the room looks like. So I've been traveling for a little bit already, and this is the very first time, this is my third hostel, this is the first time that I've got the bottom bunk. I'm at St. Christopher's in central Edinburgh. These beds are actually pretty cool. I haven't used it last night, but they have the little curtain so you have the privacy and everything here. But even though it's just my first morning here, the thing that I've already noticed about Scotland compared to Ireland, so everybody's been super nice in both countries, but here in Scotland, like, people are very willing to talk. The guy above me that was snoring woke up and like immediately told me there's breakfast next door if I wanted to go with him. I'm just taking my time today. I'm very exhausted. I'm gonna throw some clothes on and go explore a little bit. I have a couple of shops that I want to go see. They're very nerdy, but enjoy what you enjoy. I'm gonna be here for about a week. I'm gonna be in Edinburgh for about 5 days, and then I'm going to Glasgow for probably 3 or 4. Plans might change, I have no idea. A guy on the plane coming over here said that Glasgow is shit, apparently. So maybe that 3 or 4 days will turn into like 1 or 2. Maybe I'll try and go to like northern Scotland to see Inverness or something. But it'll be cool. Tell me I'm not in a fairy tale. They have this giant map on the wall of all the places that people have visited from. I'm the first person to visit this hostel from Boise. There's a hole there, someone visited from Caldwell. But I will claim Boise. This little chill out room. Got me some steak and ale pies. They look kind of shit because I'm supposed to cook them in an oven, but I did it in the microwave because it's all I have.
Should have done that way.
It's not too late to go up and back.
Go all the way around. I think we should try that way if we can.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
That looks like it goes.
Up to you.
I mean, either way,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
down. Yeah. We'll get there eventually.
Yeah.
Oh, the like red lights are glowing too. Like you can see it like in the tower.
Oh yeah. Since my grandparents have never been to Scotland before.
I don't think anybody in my family is ever going to come to Scotland. Do you remember what the name of this university was?
No, sorry. Might be outside though. That's just University of Edinburgh. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Didn't think I'd be going to university here.
That's right.
Yeah, man, I went to University of Edinburgh.
Yeah. I studied architecture at University of Edinburgh.
What have you done with your life?
Yeah, that's right.
This is a part of Edinburgh that I haven't been to yet. So that's the mountain that I'm gonna climb. So now that I'm looking at it, it looks a lot bigger than I thought. I'm not a hiker, so I feel like this is gonna be way more difficult than I realized it would be. Holy shit, man. When I think of Edinburgh in Scotland, this is what I think of. I was gonna use my 360 camera for this and make it look even better, but I just turned it on and realized I forgot the memory card in it. Maybe halfway up and already overlooking the city. So I'll have to look up the name of this place, or the hill specifically. But the place that I'm hiking up to is called, I think, Arthur's Seat. We're doing it. My nose is dripping so bad. It's cold. It's sweating and freezing at the same time. It's harder than I thought. This hill doesn't seem that high because it's very long and not like super steep, but from all the way up here you can see like most of Scotland. That's insane. This isn't even the top, this is just a little lookout point. Just that little peak up there is it. So I'm not a hiker, but I knew I had to do this. I wanted to do something cool. I really haven't done anything here except for be super cheap and walk around. From there, I walked a really damn long way. Alright, I'll catch you guys at the bottom. Hopefully I don't fall going down this. I've seen so many people eat shit today. So I'm on the way down. One more thing that I want to say. So, like I said, I'm not a hiker. Shout out to David's son, one of my best friends. He always tells me that I need to go hiking. There you go, David. You're welcome. And to make it even better, no, I'm not showing that. Never mind. Yeah, shout out to David. You ever just like stop and take a look around you and like it finally hits? I mean, at this point right now, I'm like walking down this mountain and like I stopped, like refreshed my mind for a second, took a look around. I'm like, holy shit, I'm in Scotland. It hits you at different points. Stuff like this is like, it's stuff that you can see other places, but it's not the same. Another thing that I did realize though is I completely misjudged how long it would take me to do this. Google Maps said the walk from my hotel to here, hostel to here, was I think 45 minutes. It's been over an hour and I'm like just starting to walk back and it gets dark in like 15 minutes. So one of my roommates almost came with me, but he didn't because he hurt his ankle a while back and like he can't walk on it right and it's all like inflamed. I was considering like trying to push him to do it anyway because like, oh, it's a cool thing to do. But after walking down and up this and realizing how actually difficult this is, I don't think he could have done it with his foot like this, so it's probably safer that he didn't. I walked more on this trip than I probably have anywhere in the world, except for Costa Rica. I love Paris, Mina. I love all the people there. And Brady, if you're watching this, I love you too. I love all my friends from Costa Rica. Brady, Joy, Ben, Scott, everybody. But, oh my God, those night patrols can go f themselves. On my way back, I found this place too. It's all gated in. This whole part of Edinburgh is very different than the rest of it. The other one was like Gothic cathedrals and everything. Or not the other one, but the part more close to where I'm staying. It's all like Gothic cathedrals, and then you come over here and it's like brand new architecture. So you know how I said there was two different like parts of Scotland, like the brand new stuff and the old stuff, like the different parts of town? Well, here's this. And there's that. Right across the street from each other. Yeah, this is a much fancier place than I'm used to. This mall is huge. It's literally 5 floors. Alright, the time has come and I'm leaving Edinburgh today. I'm only taking like a 1-hour train to Glasgow, so it's gonna be really quick. I'm still in the same country. But it's very bittersweet leaving because I really like this city, the way that it looks and walking around and everything, but my time here hasn't been the most fun, to be completely honest. I really didn't spend a lot of money here, so I didn't really do anything. I just kind of existed here for like 5 days. When I go to Glasgow, I'm gonna try and do a couple things over there, like go explore a little bit, but I don't know, like I feel like I would want to come back to Edinburgh in the future and like actually pay money to do stuff. But right now, on like a backpacker budget, doing this trip for a month, I really can't afford much. I am gonna miss this place. So today's my last day in Scotland. I actually decided that I'm gonna go home a little bit early because I'm just not having fun here anymore. I'm spending so much more money than I thought I would be. So I'm gonna try and get back a little bit early.
At the time.
Confirmation.